Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set wallpaper in Vivo Y19. If you are using Vivo Y19 and you want to change or set your wallpaper, so let's see how you can do this. You have different ways. The first way is that you have to tap, press and hold on any empty place and this type logo will appear. You just have to select wallpapers and here you will get a list of wallpaper. You can easily select one of them, but you have another way. You just have to look for themes app in your phone. Just look for themes app. Here's that. Just tap on it to open the app, and here you just have to tap on local or profile icon. Just tap on it. Here you can get the local wallpapers. Select it, and here you will get all the wallpapers of your phone. Here are some system wallpapers pre-downloaded or installed in your phone, but here are some downloaded wallpapers. If you want to download wallpapers from your phones, you just have to type on download more, and here you'll get a list of different wallpapers. You can easily download, purchase, or get any one of them. Now I'm going to set my wallpapers. You just tap on local, then local wallpapers, and here you just have to select the wallpaper which you want to set. As I'm going to select the wallpaper from downloads, and just tap on the wallpaper which you want to set, then tap on apply, and then select on which you want to apply. If you want to apply on lock screen, so select lock screen. If you want to apply on home screen, so select home screen. If you want to apply both lock screen and home screen, so select this third option, and here's the fourth option which is crop wallpaper. You can easily crop wallpaper, but if you want to see that, how about the wallpaper, you just have to tap on eye icon to see what will the wallpaper look like on your home screen. So after that, you just have to tap on apply, then select the option that I have selected. Now go back, and here you can see I have successfully changed my phone's wallpaper. So that's how you can easily set wallpaper on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.